This is our house. Guys! Wow. Guys! Anyways, wow, we have a house. This is our house. Everything is said and done, and this is our house to do with as we please. I hope you can understand because the echo in here is insane. Anyways, welcome to my home. Today I am going to do the empty house tour of our new house, and I'm gonna walk you through the whole thing and kind of try and explain what we are planning or what the plans are right now renovation wise, because we do want to fix it up a little bit. The house is in great condition. The previous owners were amazing people, by the way. They have been incredibly kind to us, and we are very much staying in touch with them. But anyways, they took such good care of this house that everything is in great condition. It's just very outdated. They are elderly people, so everything is very outdated, and we would like to bring it to modern times a little bit more and more to our taste. So yeah, I'm gonna walk you through that. So I think we're gonna just get started. So this is the living room. It is a very nice size, much bigger than the one we have now, obviously. The floors are, I'm not sure if this is marble or maybe travertine, but we are keeping this. It has underfloor heating, and Robert really likes them. It wouldn't have been my first choice, but yeah, since Robert likes them so much and they have heating, we're gonna keep those. We would like, of course, to paint the walls and everything. This corner right here is gonna be a library. Hopefully, if everything works out, of course. I would love to have bookshelves just going like that with a little corner shelf there. I think that would be really, really cool. We're gonna have that low row of cabinets that I talked about. It's gonna go up against that wall, so we can have some art here, and then the projector kind of projecting onto there. Here's a glimpse of the old-fashioned window treatments that the previous owners left. But then this wall here is where the sofa is gonna go, our sectional, and then more art up there, of course. And then we'd like to have the dinner table here. We're gonna have a nice and big one so that we can play board games with all our friends. Then we want to have a nice display cabinet there that goes with the kitchen, because the kitchen is right here. Ta-da! It is still small. I think this is just marginally bigger than our current kitchen, but yes, we are going to replace this kitchen. At first we really wanted to maybe just update the cabinet doors, but I'm fairly sure these are not standard sizes. I'm gonna have to measure this. If we can do that, we would love to just update the doors and get new appliances, but if not, then we'll have to replace the whole thing. But yeah, this is what it currently looks like. It has everything we need. There is a fly in the house. And then here, a mirror wall, which, yeah, we're gonna remove that, as well as this gold accent ceiling, which is very outdated. This is, in some areas in the house, they have this ceiling, so we're gonna have those replaced as well. But yeah, my new kitchen. Yay! So then, of course, we have a lovely backyard. Let me show you around there for a bit. So we have a little patio here. It's really nice. And then all of these blooming bushes that are just gorgeous. I love it. I absolutely love it. There's my bike. So yeah, I already mentioned we're gonna do the garden next year, hopefully. So for this year, the goal is just to keep all the plants alive. And we'll see about the garden next year, but it is really, really nice. It is fairly spacious, and I'm sure we can make a really good garden there. So that is the living area. This is the hallway. Looks like this. By the way, I at least really love this door. I think we're gonna keep it, but we might paint it a different color so that it's not as old-fashioned. And we're not sure about the glass, because the glass, I don't know if you can tell, but it is yellow. And yeah, we're not sure how well that's gonna go with the rest of the decor, but we'll have to see what we do about that. Hallway downstairs. We have picked out a wallpaper that's gonna go here. That's gonna have, it's like a neutral, like grayish beige color with jasmine growing. So it has like those vines of jasmine with little flowers. It's a really beautiful wallpaper. So we'd like to wallpaper this wall with that and then paint this a nice kind of grayish green, like a sage green or something. That could be really cool. And then on this wall, we're just gonna paint it with a complementary green color, I think. Here we have a, whoops, downstairs bathroom. We're gonna try and get this fixed up as well. Alrighty, let's go upstairs. Here we have the first bedroom, which is nice and tiny, and this is going to be our office. They left this wardrobe, but I think we're going to let go of that one because we have different cabinets that we'd like to put here, but we would like to have 2 desks facing opposite each other in that way, so that we can both sit here and work. And then here we're just gonna have a cabinet with, you know, all our officey stuff, printer and things like that. So yeah, we'd like to have the desks there, leave just enough space to go around. And we have different floors in mind for here. And of course, we're gonna probably paint the walls, get different window treatments and everything. Then here we have the second bedroom, which is the master bedroom. We're probably gonna use this as the master bedroom as well. It has built-in wardrobes, which again, I mean, they are nice, but I'm not a huge fan of the inside because it has shelves, and I really don't like storing clothes on shelves. I like rods or drawers, so we have to, you know, figure out what we're gonna do with this one. But yeah, it does have a rod here as well. So built-in shelves. We'll figure something out, I'm sure. Here, we're gonna wallpaper as well. We've again picked out a beautiful wallpaper with lots of greenery, leaves and things like that. It's gonna be really nice, and we're gonna paint probably the opposite wall, again, a complementary green. In this room, we are considering maybe keeping the carpet, but only if we can really deep clean it and it actually comes out super, super clean. Because this is a really nice carpet, but it is a little bit, like, obviously it's been used. So we're gonna try and clean that, and if we can't, we'll just replace it. We're probably gonna have carpet in this room because it's nice and plush and soft for the bedroom. Then we have this showstopper of a bathroom with the pink toilet. Is it lilac? Pink or lilac? I don't know. It's a funky color in any case. And we're gonna redo the bathroom because this is very outdated, and I would love to get a bath, like a freestanding bathtub. Oh, that is the dream. The shower is also kind of outdated, and it has this. These are not common in the Netherlands. Probably gonna get rid of that. And it also has the golden ceilings. So yeah, this is the room that's gonna get the most dramatic transformation because this just needs to completely change. This is not our taste. But until then, I mean, it's functional, right? It has everything that we need. So yeah, we're good until the renovations. But this is definitely one that we're going to tackle with like different tiles, obviously. And yeah, it's gonna be completely different. I would really like to get a walk-in shower with a glass wall made out of black material, some kind of black material. I don't know what's standard for showers, but to have these kind of like separations in it so that it looks a little bit like a greenhouse. I really, really love that look. So I would love to have that in there on the shower, but I will walk you through the renovation plans here as we make them. At this point, we're not entirely sure ourselves. We just know that we want a bathtub. And then here is the last bedroom. Has some built-in closets as well. This is the built-in from the other room. Comes out here. The previous owners left a television set here and these shelves. For now, this is going to be a guest room, guest bedroom. We're probably gonna store our workout gear in here as well, and our old bed because we're getting a new bed, and we're gonna change the flooring in here as well. Probably gonna do a laminate flooring everywhere where there's carpet except for the master bedroom. This one looks out onto our garden. And then here is the last room in the house, and this is going to be my studio space. I am so excited. Oh, I cannot wait to decorate this. It is up in the attic. So this is where the roof is. It is so cozy because of this shape, and it has all these built-in cabinets everywhere, lots of storage space. There's more storage space next door here, but this is all gonna be mine. And I can have all my sewing stuff up here. And yeah, I'm probably gonna have our current dining table, the one with the bar stools, the high one. Probably gonna put that in here as a cutting table. And my old desk might be used as a sewing table here. And then of course here I can store all of my projects. I'm gonna get new knobs for this, but yeah, it has a rod here. Obviously we're gonna change the floor because yeah, it's gonna have laminate as well. I've picked out a really nice kind of rustic looking, a little bit of a darker wood for this one. Oh, I cannot wait to decorate all of this and make it our own. Yeah, so that is it, guys. That is the entire house. Let me put you down here for a bit. This is it, guys. This is our house, our new home. We are really excited to get started on all the renovations. Painting, ripping up the carpets. As I mentioned in my Q&A video, we want to do all the ceilings because they are made of like this soft board, I think it's called. Like this cardboard-like material, which just isn't safe, so we need something a little bit more fireproof. And then of course the kitchen and the bathroom, we're gonna have to wait for those. Oh, something I forgot to mention is that downstairs, out of the kitchen leading into the patio area, we want to completely remove that wall and put in these French doors. So have the whole thing be made of glass and put in French doors that would open like that, also with those little window panes. Yeah, I'm gonna get started with the moving vlogs, renovation vlogs and everything like that. So if you would like to be updated on that, then definitely be sure to subscribe. You can follow me over on Instagram as well. I'll be updating you there a little bit as well, kind of live as it's happening. This is it. I am so excited. I can't wait. I can't wait. I have so many plans for every room and it's gonna be great. So thank you guys for joining me. I hope you enjoyed this tour and I will see you very soon in my next video. Bye.